there, but we're gonna ride this side, see how far down we can make it. Dadgummit. Whoops. He knocked the switch off his headlights. That right there? Maybe. Real quick. Dude, I don't know if it's got it. I don't know if it's got it. Yeah, no, I didn't have it. I don't know if it's got it.
Oh, it's got it. Don't do that heel justice. It's steep.
Yeah, no, I didn't have it. It's all good.
It's steep. Like what gets you is them dips.
Yeah, I know. Alright, now I gotta get it off. Dude.
Yeah, hey, every time you open it, you gotta zip it back up. My shit's in there too.
Alright, I got the brake.
You're lucky this thing's in gear.
I know. Sorry, Davis.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Hold up, I'm gonna go down. Do you get it?
Hold up, hold it right there. Let me get on this little hump.
Oh.
Just grab the brake.
My bad.
Can you hold that right there and I can get on the other side?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pull in clutch.
Yeah. Got it. jacket off. It's hot. God. Oh, great. Ooh, it's tight. It's up off of there. I got stuck up there or something. Could have made it through there. It don't look that steep. Oh God. You going? Oh, okay. That's a briar. Eating my struggle ooze right now. How'd you get stuck on flat ground?
I was trying to spin it.
Oh. You gonna make it? Huh?
Fast.
I can't make it up that on my feet.
Get it up on them roots. Get it up on the roots. Alright. Now get off of it.
I'm about as sweaty as can be. Oh! Briar got me on the butt cheek. Yeah.
I'll take a damn break.
Whew. Right here and head back down and go back the way we came because we can't go much further that way. So. This kind of riding's fun though. Just gonna coast down here with nothing. But not even on. I'll let you go first. You got your lights on, by the way.
What's that, Busty?
You going right there? Let's see it. not do this justice. It's downhill. Yeah. No, but this kind of riding is hard because you gotta figure out how to get past what you're stuck in or whatever. So it's challenging. Can I make it around there? Maybe. You almost fell? I don't got that. I don't know if I got that either. I might can make it. Oh my god. I'm gonna just go back the way we came. Dead going. Oh my god. Bike's falling. Don't want to fall off that. I have the worst clutch hand. Yeah. We're kind of weighing down into the creek. We're taking our bikes down to the creek. It's a little sketchy, but some stick got stuck in the GoPro mount. It went through the hole. There's no shot.
That one, nah. I think both of those are going to be equally funny.
Do what?
Both of these are going to be
Probably gonna take both of us. Well, that wasn't bad. This is wild.
But right here is where I started sinking. You gotta get out of that quick.
Go, go. This stone is slick. Yeah. Go around the edge. You got it. Fine, I'll go. I ain't scared of no water. A little bit of water. each other's bikes up though, because it's really steep and rocky, so we'll find out. Well, we made it. Barely. Oh my god. It took both of us to get both up. Oh my god. You tired?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna end this one here. Thanks for watching.